So this next exercise is to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which we want to activate when we're feeling really stressed. So the exercise is designed to help you to breathe a little more deeply, relax some muscles, especially the muscles of the face, but also your neck. And it's something that's incredibly portable that you can do and already know how to do. And you can do it anywhere. Most people don't do it in public the way I'm about to do it, but there's also comic relief in that. But I'm sure you know how to yawn. So today we're going to be practicing a really big yawn to help release muscles in the face, neck, jaw, and get the breathing kind of resynced and a little bit deeper than it might have been already. If we're really stressed and feeling really tense, we're probably not breathing deeply enough, and our shoulders are up at our ears, and this exercise will help with all of that. So to get started, get comfortable, shake out gently your neck a little bit, rotate your shoulders, and then when you feel ready, you're going to locate the bones here where the jaw bones kind of meet and apply a little bit of pressure there. You might already feel that there's some tension. And then you're going to begin to open your mouth really, really widely and bringing in as much air as you can. And we'll just see what happens. So I might do this to the side. And that's it. But you can do it as often as you feel that you can, and whenever you want to. It's a fake yawn, but it usually turns into a real yawn. And if you find yourself yawning right now, then you're definitely a primate, because we tend to copy each other. And for some reason, yawning is very contagious, and you'll see that in nature videos a lot. But I encourage you to practice stretching this out, allowing yourself to disengage here in the neck and shoulders and yawn as often as you need to. If you want to add to that, you can also, as you're yawning, stretch your arms to the side and up and back down to the side, always ending with a big sigh if you can. If you don't feel embarrassed to really exhale at the end and sigh it out, it can also be really helpful.